In the 1950s, the Willis company developed a small truck for the U.S. military to replace old equipment such as the Dodge 37, and the new M274 began service in 1956 with the U.S. infantry and airborne troops. This is a flatbed 4x4 multifunctional transport platform, officially known as the M274 1/2-ton 4x4 utility platform truck, with a payload of about 0.5 tons. Soldiers called it mule or mechanical mule. The M274 is extremely simple in structure, with a total of 6 versions produced, including the M274 and subsequent A1 to A5 versions, with slight differences between them. An open driver's cab is located on the left front of the flatbed, with a single seat for the driver. The foot can be placed forward in a basket-like structure, with corresponding control pedals inside, and the steering wheel can be folded forward to reduce overall height. The seat and the front basket can be removed for easy stacking during transport. The vehicle's engine is installed under the flatbed at the rear of the vehicle. The M274 and M274A1 use the A0-43 4-cylinder engine, capable of producing 16 horsepower, while later versions are equipped with a 2-cylinder engine. Only the M274A5 is equipped with electric start, while previous versions required manual start. A cargo deck above the engine can be removed for easy engine maintenance and inspection. The vehicle has no conventional suspension, instead using low-pressure rubber tires to provide some shock absorption. The gearbox has 3 forward gears and 1 reverse gear, with a maximum speed of 40 km per hour, suitable for routine transportation. The vehicle's fuel tank has a capacity of 30 liters, and depending on road conditions, the maximum range is around 200 kilometers. All versions of the vehicle have the same dimensions, with an empty weight of less than 400 kilograms. The deck and other components are made of aluminum alloy or magnesium alloy. The vehicle has no armor protection, not even a sunshade, and only has a railing around the cargo deck for tying down and preventing cargo from slipping. The M274 series participated in the Vietnam War, serving as a multifunctional transport vehicle in infantry camps and appearing on the front lines. It was used in the jungle for supply or casualty transport and also served as a mobile weapons platform, often carrying weapons such as the M60 machine gun, M2HB heavy machine gun, 106mm recoilless rifle, and TOW anti-tank missile launcher. The M274 series served in the U.S. military until the 1980s, with its advantages including simple structure, low cost, and suitability for helicopter transport. If necessary, it could be airdropped with a parachute. However, it also had disadvantages such as lack of armor protection and slow speed, leading to its gradual replacement by other vehicles. By the time production ceased in the 1970s, a total of 11,240 M274 vehicles had been produced, many of which entered the civilian market. The prices of these used vehicles were not very high, making them ideal for hunting, farm transportation, and other practical uses, aside from military collectors.